At Omron, our goal in respiratory care is to achieve zero asthma attacks. So what is a wheeze? Well, it's the most common symptom of asthma in children under 5. But a wheeze can be difficult to identify. It might be confused with noisy breathing, congestion, a blocked nose, or even a throat infection. If a wheeze isn't recognised, attacks can worsen, impacting a child's school and social life, and restricting physical activity. 4% of children under 5 in the USA have asthma. That's 826,000 children. Together, they make 215,000 ER and hospital visits every year, at an estimated cost of $315 million per annum. However, if identified early, asthma attacks can be managed at home. That's why we're developing the Omron Wheeze Monitor. It can detect if a child is wheezing by analysing a child's breathing for 30 seconds. The wheeze can be difficult for parents to spot, with 55% disagreement between clinician and parent. That's where the Wheeze Monitor comes in. The Wheeze Monitor helps take the doubt out